Selling a property in the Philippines while you are overseas? Or maybe you're too sick, too old, or simply not available to handle the transaction personally? That is where the Special Power of Attorney, or SPA, comes in. But not everyone fully understands what it does and does not allow someone to do. So let's break it down, real talk. A Special Power of Attorney is a legal document that allows someone else, your representative, to act on your behalf. Now here's the thing, the SPA is only as powerful as what's written on it. So if you're selling a property, your SPA needs to be specific. It must clearly say things like the authorized person can sell the property, can receive full payment in your name, and can sign the deed of absolute sale or sales contract or other related documents. If any of those powers are not stated clearly, guess what? They can't legally do it. Not even if they're your spouse, your child, or your best friend. Important areas to consider. Proper notarization. If the SPA is executed abroad, it needs to be apostilled to be valid in the Philippines. Specific authority. Mention the exact property, the transaction type, and the permitted actions. Authority to receive funds. If you want your agent to accept payments on your behalf, it must be written explicitly. Signing power. Want them to sign the deed of sale, tax forms, or title transfer documents? Again, put it in writing. Pros of executing an SPA. You don't have to be physically present to sell the property. Great for OFWs, expats, or elderly sellers. Speed up transactions with the right person acting for you. Cons of executing an SPA. Total trust is required. You're handing someone legal control. Risk of misuse or miscommunication if not properly drafted. You may be liable if your authorized agent makes a bad deal or misrepresents your interests. So here's the bottom line. Don't just download any random SPA template from the internet. And don't just authorize someone because you trust them. Get it reviewed, be clear, and protect yourself. And if you are the buyer in a transaction involving an SPA, always double check that the SPA is authentic, properly notarized, and covers all necessary actions. This is JRC, your go-to guide for visas, immigration, and real estate in the Philippines. Always remember to protect yourself. See you on our next Real Estate Friday videos.